So hello everybody, I'm here at an event here in Texas and we have Tona and her little baby Bexley. Hi. And have you ever seen the Pro Hair Ties before?
Never.
Never? Not any ads online?
No, never seen
Okay,
them.
awesome. So we're going to have you try it out. I'm going to kind of show you how it works. You can pick out any color here. The top one's glow in the dark, and then we'll try that out.
Like this pink one.
Awesome. And then what you can do is just, we're just going to put your hair up, and then I'm going to size it, so we'll see if it's a little bit tight or a little bit loose.
Okay.
So you can just put it up in like a normal ponytail. What hair ties do you typically use?
Just the regular elastic ones.
Like black? Yeah. What are a few problems you usually have with hair ties?
They stretch out and my hair gets caught in them.
Yeah? Cool. How would you define your hair? Like thick, thin?
Thin, thick,
Thinner?
kind of medium.
Medium? Let me see. Okay, so let's actually turn for the camera so you can actually see a little bit more, turn a little bit more. There you go, awesome. So you can see actually her hair is pretty thick. I'm gonna say it's pretty thick. And it's not moving at all, so like a normal size one is kind of perfect for her. And then if you want, you can just go ahead and reach back and unclasp it. So just kind of pinch it until you find that little piece of plastic. And then once you find it, just lift it up at an angle and let it fall out without like pulling it.
That's pretty easy. That's
What'd you
better.
think?
That's better than a regular hair tie, and it's a lot tighter, more secure.
Yeah, more secure. And then would you recommend for like people, maybe moms with little babies like yours, active mothers?
That would really work for a one-handed person.
Yeah, right? I mean, you have a little baby on your chest and you just
Yeah,
popped it out.
that works
Cool.
very easy.
And you like it?
I like it.
Yeah, cool. All right, you can have that one. And then I'll snag that from you. And thanks for being a little baby model. So cute.